Hello again, and it's time for another Monday networking tip. But full disclosure, today is Tuesday. I was really busy yesterday, and sometimes when you get busy, you drop the ball. And that's what I want to talk to you about today when it comes to networking. Meeting someone once does not make them part of your network. Meeting someone once makes them someone you have met once. And there's a big difference between someone you've met once and someone who you are cultivating a long-term and mutually beneficial relationship with. So here's the thing, you can't drop the ball because that one meeting, even if you follow up with a LinkedIn request, you just get lost in the noise. What you need to do to be able to create the type of network that is going to provide you with value and allow you to provide value to other people, what you need to do is intentionally cultivate that relationship, which means after you meet somebody who you think, wow, we could do business together, or we should be doing business together, what you need to do is you need to take ownership of all of that follow-up. You need to make sure that you reach out to people on a regular basis. If you live in the same community, maybe you would go have lunch or you have a cocktail or you meet for breakfast, whatever works with your personality, you want to make sure that you share experiences with other people. So don't drop the ball on growing the relationship. And in a world where we are overrun with likes, links, shares, and follows, all of this social media and digital tools, don't kid yourself. Just because you've connected with somebody on some social media site doesn't mean they know who you are. It doesn't mean they give a damn about you, or really that you even have any understanding of who they are. So don't drop the ball. Be intentional in the way you network. And remember, it takes a lot of time and a lot of effort and several shared experiences to build relationships that will bring you opportunities. But if you do it correctly, you're going to change the whole trajectory of your life and your career. I know it's happened to me many times. Opportunities have come to me because of people who I have cultivated long-term relationships with. Very few opportunities have come from people I met once, had a short conversation, maybe exchanged business cards or a LinkedIn request, and then never talked to again. Out of sight is out of mind. So don't drop the ball on the human side of business. Hey, thanks for watching this video. Do me a favor and subscribe. Check out the videos that we do every week, and make sure you tell your friends about these videos if they're helpful. Thanks a lot.